Come on. He said, go rock that promenade. You better rock that promenade. They've got some new bread here on board the. They've got some new bread here on board the Carnival Breeze. Super fluffy, squishy, soft rolls. I tell you, that is something I really look forward to at dinner. It's having a nice, soft piece of bread. I cannot tell you the amount of times that I've went to dinner and almost broken a tooth. We have experience almost with that today. Almost broken a tooth on the bread. And so I think that if you can't get the bread right, how are you going to get the rest of the meal right? So, great start to our meal here on board Carnival Breeze. Tonight in the main dining room. I want to take you around the table and let you see what everybody got, because we have got a lot of yummy choices here on the table. Oh, right here. Yes. Come on down with that. Woo! Josh. Yummy. Thank you. Josh Allen, that's right. Our waiter's name is Alan and my middle name is Alan, so you know, twins. Anyway, I got calamari and the tomato soup. Miss Phoebe got a double portion of the yummy fruit over here. Mr. Peter also rocking the calamari over there. Looks super yummy. Adelaine's got like, what is that, peanut butter and jelly? It's like as big as her head over there, and that's her appetizer, so can only wait to see what her main course looks like from the kids menu. Cody, where did you get that watermelon slice? Oh, you got like the actual fruit, like good grief. Good grief. Wow. They give you a whole watermelon over there, Teresa. What did you get? Oh, is that the quesadilla? I know several members got the quesadilla. Scott, you got the quesadilla, yeah? Yeah, Josh, I got. Oh yeah, there he is. Scott. Okay, yeah. Teresa got the fruit. Beth, what did you get? The shrimp cocktail? Caesar salad, a shrimp cocktail, and then Miss Lauren also has a fruit salad. Yummy. Right over here. We've got, is that mango? What's that? If it was mango, it wouldn't be on her plate anymore. My goodness gracious, we have got our main course here in the dining room for tonight. I ended up getting the braised beef brisket with root veggies there, even some broccoli. And we also got a side of mashed potatoes, which Miss Lauren is going to help me put down. Are they good, hun? They do look good. What did you get, honey? She's got,
I got the salmon with like a citrus glaze, I guess. And then it came with vegetables.
Ooh, it looks yummy. And then Erica's got, did you get the roasted chicken? She got the roasted, I'm catching everybody with their mouth full. That's how I do it around here. Luis, what did we get? The mahi, look at that. That looks really yummy. Betsa got the steak. Teresa got the shrimp, sweet and sour shrimp. Cody's with me and got the beef brisket. Adeline got chicken nuggets, french fries. I'm sitting next to you tomorrow. Peter got the shrimp again, and then we got literally 4 bowls of mac and cheese. You are going to be in mac and cheese heaven later, little girl. And yes, we cannot forget the french fries and the ketchup on the side. Absolutely love it. See, even the little ones get to have fun on cruise days. And they get to eat whatever they want as well. And I love that. She's already had her healthy stuff, okay? We're just, you know, treats now. How about over here? How was it, Mr. Tom?
Awesome. That was the best brisket I've had.
Wasn't it so good? So good. How about yours?
It was really good.
Good. Good.
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille. You said what?
I had brisket, you had the same.
And both were excellent, yes?
Strawberry soup.
Really? So wait a minute. He's allergic to strawberries and you had strawberry soup? No kissy kissy. Well, we just finished up our dinner in the main dining room there. I'm actually taking Lauren out. We're gonna try catch our first sunset at sea. Hey guys. All right. This is your first time out on deck 5, actually. Check this. Oh look, cruise ship. Cruise ship. Love that. You want to go to the front or the back? Perfect first evening sunset. I literally could not tell you. Haven't seen one. Absolutely spectacular. We're popping back down here to the room. Which way, babe? This way? Hey guys. We're popping back down here to the room really quick. We're gonna kind of finish what unpacking we didn't get done before, and then we're heading back upstairs to the main theater, the Ovation Theater, one of my all-time, if not my all-time favorite theater as far as decor goes. At 9:45, we have the Welcome Aboard show, and I have not seen that in several cruises, because I ain't been on Carnival. All right, Peter, go ahead and open it up. So we just got back to the room, and Carnival has done just as I've asked. They rock on this, and they have delivered our goodie bags for each group member. So ours are here, so I assume, I hope, cross your fingers, everybody else is in their stateroom tonight. So, Peter, go ahead and open it up. I've kept this completely a secret from him. Yeah, so much so that when we were making them today, he couldn't even be in the room. Yeah. I was just that extra about it. So, go ahead, rip it open, see what you got in there.
All right. Ooh, what is this? This is like a tumbler.
It is a tumbler, yeah.
Oh my god.
What do you think?
That's so cool.
What do
Oh
you
my
think?
god, I love the logo on here. Look at that.
Yeah, so it's got the Cruise Squad logo on it.
logo.
So the same logo that's on everybody's buttons and is now on the cups as well. And the shirts.
The logo.
Yeah, so there it is right there. So when you're drinking it, it says
Wow.
Cruise with Josh down there at the bottom. And we've got
a lanyard.
Yep, and we've got brand new lanyards.
Oh my god.
That's why we needed
I
colors.
love these lanyards.
You like that?
I love the whole thing, like the whole package.
Yeah, well
Like,
there's
it's
something,
so
there should be
cool.
something else in there.
Oh, lei!
Flower lei for the Hawaiian night. Yeah, and there should be one more thing in there. Yeah, there's one more thing in there.
Oh.
You get a sticker!
I have the complete package.
Yeah, now you have the complete package. So
I love it.
everybody is gonna have one of those in their staterooms tonight. Each member. Oh yeah, and the sunglasses. You got some new sunglasses.
New sunglasses. This is awesome.
Yeah. So everybody's gonna have that in their room tonight. We will have a limited supply, just like we're keeping up the group cruise T-shirts. We're also gonna keep up these tumblers. We have a very, very limited supply of these over on my website. If you guys really, really like it, maybe we'll bring it back again. But they say Cruise Squad and then just hashtag Cruise with Josh. So it does not say that it's the group cruise or anything. So if you really just want one of these tumblers, you can head over. They're available right now on my website. Once again, joshhokum.com, as well as the brand new lanyards in 4 colors. You can choose blue, purple, black, or red. Whichever one you like, they're over there right now up on the website for you. Make sure you head over, and you got to get yours now, joshhokum.com. All right, so the gang is here. Not really sure what we're gonna be watching. Kind of looks like they're setting up for bingo, and this is like the thing to get everybody to bingo.
Right, I was thinking that. They have
Well, they're selling bingo.
Yeah, so they get everybody in here for this cheap stuff, and then like sell the bingo to.
Well, people love to play bingo.
Oh, I know. It's one thing I've never done on a cruise ship. Need to do it. I need to do it. Oh, come on.
Is how it felt the last time. She's almost there, everybody. She has to be tall enough to reach the top.
Oh! Dang. So unfortunately, Miss Lauren here battling a wee bit of seasickness, unfortunately. But you know why she's doing it like a trooper? Because she is not staying, look at that, look what I've just done to your hair. She is not staying confined to that cabin. She is still here. We're ready. We are ready for the welcome aboard show. Our very first one, your very first welcome aboard the Carnival Breeze. It's gonna be a great show. If you have not caught it yet, you must catch it. It's a cute little show where they kind of highlight what some of the playlist performers are gonna be doing for the week. Now this one's gonna be kind of more like a montage of popular hits and music, but each one is themed to specific tunes and songs and stuff, so you definitely gotta check it out.
All right, let's do this again. I saw a lot of people just raise their hands just now. Let's get this out of the way. Who's on their first cruise?
Woo!
You have a lot to learn. All right, let me explain to you. I don't even have to explain it. I'll just show you. Where are my repeat cruisers? Make some noise. For you, great job, Bill. Look at it all dressed up all nice. Yeah, good fun. Now, I got one question for you all. Did you enjoy the show?
Yay!
Guys, thank you all for coming to it. This is just a preview. Remember, look at all. Hallelujah!
Woo! Whoop, whoop. That's right. We're done with the welcome aboard show. Mama Hokum, did you enjoy it? Of course. I think she enjoyed it a little bit. Lauren's feeling better too. Lauren, you feeling better, baby? Lauren's feeling better. Her seasickness has finally went away. Ginger ale did its magic. And so we're all heading back right now to Limelight. All right, I gotta cut you off where copyright gets me.
1, 2, 3. Hey, Trey!
There we go. That is cute. Me and Lauren made a pit stop while on our way back to. That's similar to the dress that I got you.
And they have pants.
Yeah, that's cute.
I like the flowy
You like that? We made a stop in here on our way back to the comedy club. Lauren wanted to look in here real quick, so I say sure, why not? And then we'll head back and enjoy some comedy. I hear though, Mama Hook was already back there. I hear it's pretty packed, unfortunately, so we might be standing.
Give it up for Kimbo, everybody. Come on, clap for Kimbo. Come on. Come on. 1 hour later.
I think there's somebody back. Oh, you almost ran right through the glass. Somebody's back to their normal self. Look back here. Look. Cruise ship. Look at the pool. It's nice and warm out here now. It was chilly earlier. It was very chilly, actually, when we, just after we left Port Canaveral. The wind was quite rough. I wanted to come up here on Lido Deck and finish you guys out. They're supposed to be having some kind of live music going on up here at the pool deck, so we'll check that out. And I think that's where we'll wrap you out for this amazing boarding day that we've had today here on board the beautiful Carnival Breeze. I don't think it could have went any better, honestly. An absolutely stellar day. So they're actually still watching the movie. What was it called? Crazy Rich Asians. They were playing it earlier. I don't know if maybe it started later or what have you. But anyway, they're still watching that. So no music up here on deck. So guys, that is where we're gonna finish you out for this amazing first day here on board the Carnival Breeze. Listen, if you enjoyed this vlog, first of all, please hit that thumbs up button right down below this video and share it with a friend. Share it with someone that's maybe coming on board the Carnival Breeze or somebody that's looking for a cruise. Maybe they're a first-time cruiser. Share this video with them. I think they would really love it in this series. They would really enjoy it. I'm hoping to show you guys a bunch of tips, tricks, and insider hacks that I found, and especially because this is my favorite ship, the Carnival Breeze. So you definitely got to hit that subscribe button also down below if you haven't already. That's going to do it for us here today on board the Carnival Breeze. Tomorrow we have our first sea day on board, and we're going to be getting out and about and having tons of fun. You do not want to miss it. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.